Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we will tell you about special auxiliary equipment for additive manufacturing by the Ruwac USA company. Ruwac USA develops and manufactures industrial vacuum cleaner systems, including immersion separators, dust collectors, and other filtration units. The company's current range includes a lineup of auxiliary equipment and accessories for additive manufacturing as well. Of particular interest are two series of immersion separation vacuum systems, MX200 and MX360, formerly known as NA35HD. Ruwac immersion separators are used for collecting and separating particles of all kinds. They are an ideal solution for removing titanium, magnesium, and aluminum dusts. The risk of explosion is eliminated thanks to the fact that explosive dusts enter the liquid medium. Even hot gases are cooled by the hydraulic separator. The MX200 series of separators is designed for use in small labs and educational institutions where 3D printing volumes are relatively low. Characterized by low maintenance and safety, the equipment meets NFPA 484 standards for combustible metals, metal powders, and metal dust. The MX200 systems are equipped with an effective multi-stage filtration system, a durable powder-coated steel casing, and anti-static rollers. For applications where additive manufacturing methods are used in mass production, such as in production halls, the manufacturer recommends the MX360 series. To ensure exceptional durability, the body of the MX360 is made of dent, crack, and rust-resistant carbon composite and equipped with anti-static rollers for mobility and ease of use. Both series are equipped with TEFC brushless motors that provide 24/7 continuous operation and 15,000 hours of maintenance-free operation. The autonomous immersion separators by Ruwac combine high performance, low maintenance costs, and a long service life. This is Top 3D Shop with the overview of the Ruwac immersion separation vacuum systems. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you soon!